Hello guys, this is Petros from 4-wheel drive channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use 4-wheel drive on a 2008 Toyota Hilux. So obviously these cars have automatic cams, so the only thing you have to do is just press clutch when the car is totally stopped and shift from H2 to H4 for 4-wheel drive at high speeds, and then you can shift from H4 to L4 for low speeds and more torque. Now, in case you are in a very difficult situation and you need maximum traction, these cars have this option over here where you can press this button and lock the rear differential. So please remember that when you use the lock on the rear differential, you have to use the steering as little as possible, and you have to be either on mud or snow. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to 4-wheel drive channel. Also, if you want me to show how to use 4-wheel drive on other cars, please comment below.